Experience panoramic lake and pool views in this 3-bed, 3-bath beauty nestled in TownPark. The open, split floor plan boasts volume ceilings, crown molding, and ceramic tile in the main areas, with wood-style flooring in the bedrooms. Impact glass windows throughout ensure security. The kitchen is a standout with its center island eating bar, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, soft closewood cabinets, and a pretty tiled backsplash. Step onto the screen-covered lanai to relax and soak in the peaceful lake views or take a refreshing dip in the heated saltwater pool. Embrace resort-style living with fabulous TownPark amenities, clubhouse with pool, fitness center, playground, tennis/pickleball courts, and a dog park. Never leave tradition. It's all right here: shopping, restaurants, recreation. Its proximity to I-95 makes it easy to travel to work, as well as convenient for journeys north or south. The town center, located in Tradition Square, is the heart of tradition. Here, the community comes together, gathering for fun events, live music, and more, for moments filled with the simple joy of being around friends and making lifelong memories. Tradition's Town Center creates a natural community hub for residents to meet and socialize, where events like a weekly farmers market invite one and all to gather. Workshops and classes, held in the town hall, introduce new hobbies and exciting activities to residents, where they can begin new traditions with neighbors, family, and friends. Wonderful home, wonderful community.